Okay guys, so currently my YouTube video in I uploaded 1 day ago actually got removed, but only the owner, that is me, can watch it still, so no one else can watch it anymore. So if YouTube see this, I'm sorry, because to be honest, I am actually Filipino, and that's how Filipinos joke around sometimes. That's how Filipinos joke around, because in some part of my video I was about to give my cousin the Oreo, and then I literally did like this and then eat it instead. And then I noticed, YouTube noticed something. So YouTube, if you're seeing this, please remove that and let everyone see it, because because that's how Filipinos joke around. Bye bye.